Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 12th, 2020, and on today's video we are going to speak on Polkadot and give you all an update from the trap as to what he's trying to do for this particular cryptocurrency. Now, before I get into that, as always, I want to plug each and every one of you into our particular channel here on YouTube. If you guys appreciate our content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, as well as share the video. We want everyone to get the opportunity to see that you can also forecast and predict price movement all without being confused. You know, it's one of the main purposes of why we're doing these particular type of videos, to give everyone a heads up. And not only that, you should also learn from how we're able to know right before the trap moves where we expect him to go. So make sure you all continue to support the channel by liking the videos, sharing the video, and also subscribing to this particular platform. So now, Polkadot, here we are. You guys can see right here on our chart that our expectations from our last video, which was here on the 3rd of October, was to see some movement lower in price, right? We were expecting the trap to lower the value of Polkadot, and as you can see from his performance, that he did precisely that he did lower the value of Polkadot right here on the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th of October. The market traded all the way back down here towards this $3.50 area. You all can see on those 3 days, you know, the trap came in and supported the market, I would say around like $3.60. Okay. So initially, you guys can see right there, if you was able to tag out on those 3 days, either or on the low, then you would have received about 12% profitability taken from the trap and given right back to you in your account. This is one of the main purposes of why we're here, is to make sure that we grab some of this money back from the trap and giving it right back to us. So hopefully you was able to capitalize on that 12%. Congratulations to those who have done that or who did that. Very good to see that play out. So now that is over. We've seen some things occur on the price chart that the trap has laid out for us to give us another idea as to whether or not the market's going to go higher, lower, or just continue to trade sideways. So let's go into that. Let's get rid of this. And the question that I need to ask you, first of all, is, are we still in a downtrend? That's the question. Are we still in a downtrend in Polkadot? So if you say no, you're right. The market in Polkadot is no longer in a downtrend. So we transitioned from the market in Polkadot going lower in price to consolidational trading. Yes. So this descending line I got on my chart, we need to switch it. We need to change it and use it at a location that is going to be beneficial to us. Now, where will it be beneficial for us on this chart? What price level do we need to have this line? It's the question that needs to be asked. Tell me, does it need to be around $3.50 for support? Or how about $4? Yeah, I like $4. So we're going to hold the market area of support in Polkadot. I would say give or take around $3.90. Okay, that's our new area that we need to focus on into the market in Polkadot. This area right here, $3.90, is support. So we need to watch the trap going forward to see whether or not he's going to maintain that particular price, because if so, we know at least the market's going to consolidate. The more that the market trades above $3.90, the better the consolidational range is going to be, and then the increased movement and higher price. Okay, so we created a new support area in the market in Polkadot. Where's restriction? $4.50, maybe around $4.60. It's a near-term restriction point into the market in Polkadot. So now let's take a look at the market in Polkadot on the 3-day. So over the last couple of 3-day price bars, you guys can see that yes, the market in Polkadot did endure some weakness, but the trap has been very relentless into holding price above $3.90. That's great. 5-day, even better. The market endured some weakness on this particular 5-day price bar, and then immediately following the next, it recovered. So again, $3.90, $4 is vital for us to continue to see a hold support. Now the weekly time frame. The market endured weakness. I would say over the last 4 consecutive weeks, the market moved lower. But look where we closed that last week. We closed higher than the close from last week, the week of September 28, 2020. The market was able to close above that particular close on that week. That's positive. So we're seeing some areas of contentment right now on the trap. He's very content in trading the market in Polkadot around $3.90 to $4 as support. So the only thing we need to figure out is where will the sellers appear? $4.50? Definitely. That area is seen as restriction. 3-week chart. We got 13 more days left and 8 hours left on the chart. And you can see right here that we are still seeing some indicators of strength appearing in the market. So what we need to do? Generally, I'm not really expecting anything monumental to occur in Polkadot, but rather just really hold consolidational trading. Now, even in the midst of that, we can still play some of the strength in this currency. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that real quick, and then we'll go ahead and let you all go. So here we are. We're going to play some of the strength into the market in Polkadot. Now, already I told you $4.50 is restriction. That can literally invalidate our forecast here in Polkadot. So we need to be careful of that. All right. So obviously we need to skim off just a little bit of TP around $4.50, which would not be much, but we understand grab the profit out while you can before the market reverses its course. So that'll be about 2.47% profitability into the market in that move. All right. So this is it. $3.90 support. I'm going to bring it up there to around $4 though. And I'm going to extend it up here towards $4.85, give or take. And that's about the consolidational range that I'm looking for the market in Polkadot to trade, especially if you're able to break $4.50 to the upside. But until then, that's all I'm looking at. Consolidational trading. So you tell me, what are you seeing in the market in Polkadot? Are you seeing consolidational trading like we are? Are you seeing the market catapulting up to $5.50? Or are you still seeing weakness? Tell us with your comment in the comment section, and then give us your TP price on where you see the market in Polkadot. Where will the price be at in the next week? A week from today, where will the market be trading at? And we want you to tell us that as well. Now that's it. We sit back, let the trap perform, and we'll come back in and see how he has performed against our forecast. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we will speak again on our next video.